I'm Ben GARNETT and I work for Brisbane Airport Corporation as the Deputy Project Manager for Brisbane's new runway. In 2012, we commenced the site preparation stage of Brisbane's new runway. It was one of the greatest challenges of the whole project, taking 5 years and completed in 4 stages. The area for Brisbane's new runway was historically the Brisbane River Delta. It is extremely soft, up to 30 metres deep and comparable to the consistency of toothpaste. Therefore, we needed to load the area with sand to consolidate the soft, waterlogged soil. This was crucial in making the land stable enough to build upon, but also take the load of aircraft landings in the future. The first stage of construction was clearing the land. It was essential that the environmental impact was kept to an absolute minimum throughout the project. Soil and trees removed from the site have been stockpiled for later use in the landscaping of the project. The second stage of the process was dredging sand to consolidate the soil on the site. A significant amount was needed to cover the 360 hectare site, and dredging from Moreton Bay was deemed the most effective option. During this stage, we dredged 11 million cubic metres of sand from Moreton Bay, with the dredge vessel mooring at luggage point to pump to the site. For the third stage, around 330,000 WICK drains were installed deep into the ground. These are pieces of thin plastic that effectively provides a quicker exit for the water from the soil beneath the sand, similar to a straw. This allows the settling process to be 30 to 40% faster than if it was left to gravity alone. For the fourth and final stage, we let the site settle for 3 years, allowing us to use this time to finalise the airfield design of Brisbane's new runway, which is on track for its opening in 2020.